Hi everyone! Entrance to the relax zone to learn several phrases. Relaxation music. Very fresh here. Big pots to pay and get tickets. Covered with flowers, fish, tropical trees. Rahat Lukun. So as you can see, local cuisine. We can see fresh breads. Playground for kids, merry-go-round, monkey bar, seesaw, big area at the bench, sliding, ripe it, unripe. This is actually beautiful banana tree, parrots, eating, hamster. As you see, pleasant.
Do you know that if you will start practicing English about 10 minutes in a day with my own created method, you will start to speaking. On my YouTube channel, I have designed 4,000 basic and essential phrases and words for beginners. With the help of them, you will start to speaking. You will start how to pronounce correctly the word. You will start how to remember the word. And of course, you will start speaking as a native. Stay with me and I will assist you on your journey to speaking English. So guys, especially for my subscribers, I have the price which I have bought from the place where I have traveled before, this beautiful decorated plate. And now I'm going to share this plate with one of my subscribers who is going to write the best comment below my video.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dina and today we are also going to learn some new words in English. Let's get started. So guys, today we keep our distance to the biggest greenhouse in my city. So now we are going on the road. We are keep our way to the greenhouse. So guys, today we came to the biggest greenhouse in my city. So we came to the greenhouse. Greenhouse is a place where a lot of greenery, a lot of trees and flowers are keeping. They are growing plants and flowers in the greenhouse. So this is entrance of the greenhouse. Entrance of the greenhouse. So people can enter to inside the building. So we entered inside the greenhouse. Before entrance, we have to pay and get tickets to get inside the building. So now we entered inside the greenhouse. As you see, the whole greenhouse is covered with flowers. So there is special place for eating, and we have waterfall, and we have there different fish. So in this greenhouse there are a lot of different tropical trees. So this is, I think, mango trees. So in this greenhouse we can find different sweets from different countries, and here especially Turkish sweets, Rahat Lokum. So as you can see, there are a lot of types of Rahat Lokum. So sweets, very colorful, and also there is local cuisine. So people are cooking their different dishes. So shawarma, people are cooking different dishes. And here also bakery where people cook different types of bread. So as we can see, they have big oven and they are cooking fresh breads. And here also playground for the kids. Playground for kids. And now I'm going to name all these things in the playground. So we are actually at the playground. So this is actually called merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. So this is actually called monkey bar. Monkey bar where children can climb. They also can climb through the rope. And this is actually called slide. Slide where children can slide from the top to the bottom. So this is called seesaw. Seesaw. We are at the playground. So children are playing there. This is very big area. And also there are a lot of benches where people can sit, have a rest bench. So people are sitting at the bench. So actually he's sliding. So this is slide. Whole greenhouse is covered with a lot of greenery. So this is actually called greenery. So this is actually banana tree. Banana tree. So this is mango tree. So this is ripe mango, and this is unripe. Ripe mango. So this greenhouse has its own zoo. Its own zoo. There are a lot of animals at the zoo. So this is actually beautiful peacock. It's a type of bird. As you see, it's opening his wings. So incredible, very stunning process. Peacock, the white peacock. This is another type of peacock. This is actually a mix of green and black. Here also we can see different types of greenery. This is actually banana tree. This is unripe banana tree. Is not ripe. Oh, can you see it? This is another type of peacock. Wow, that's very stunning. Peacock. It's closing his wings. Oh, it's very beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's very stunning, yeah. So beautiful. So there are actually very funny parrots. So different types of parrots. This is the beautiful one. So look at these guys. It is eating. There is his seeds and they are eating. They have special eats there. So beautiful. There is another side of the zoo. There are a lot of goose. Goose. Here are so funny goats. Very young goats. So my son is tired and he's sitting on the bench. He's sitting on the bench. There is newborn They're sitting with their mom. Goats sitting with their mom. There is so cute hamster. Hamster. It is actually eating. Hamster. The black one is here. Hamster. As you see, there are a lot of tropical trees. So these are actually mango trees, as you see before. So they are not ripe yet. A lot of trees. So this is actually the biggest greenhouse in this city, and as you see, the whole area is surrounded with different flowers, trees, and especially in this place you can buy a lot of like flowers, different types of flowers on the pots. So here is the price, so you can take any of them which you like. So you see this beautiful flowers at the pot. Till now we came to the relax zone. So as you see, there are a lot of places where you can have a rest if you are tired. It's a very good thing to have a rest after long walking in this greenhouse. And now I'm going to sit to one of them, and we are going to learn several phrases in English. By the way, you can get this view. This is a big hall, and you listen this music, this like relaxation music, so we can just lie down and forget about everything. The air is very fresh here, as this place keeps a lot of greenery. So the temperature in this place is about plus 20-25 degrees. So actually I found a free seat there, and I want to show you there a lot of banana trees at the big pots. This is actually called pot. So banana tree is planted in this big pot. So behind me there are a lot of banana tree, and in this place, in this greenhouse, we can buy even banana tree at home. So guys, actually we are tired of walking, and I found a place. So this is actually called relaxing zone. Yeah, so as you can listen, there is very pleasant music, so we can sit there, have a rest. And now I'm going to share with you several phrases and words related to relax. So first word we can say it is relax itself. So relax means enjoy the moments. You can have deep breathing, like deep breathing. You can feel this atmosphere, and also we can call have a rest, which means like relaxing again. We can just say resting or have a rest. We can also say enjoy the atmosphere, enjoy the place. So in this kind of position, you can think about different things. You can think about the pleasant moment. People also can lie down there. So lie down. So now I am actually swinging. Yeah, so I call it swinging. This process is very enjoyable actually. when you are swinging, so you feel yourself as a child. So the atmosphere is very great. So in today's video, I am going to share with you a lot of vocabulary related to a short trip to another places. So we actually came to the biggest greenhouse in my city. So at the end of the video, I will share with you with the list of vocabulary related to short trip of our 2 days event. So by now, see you in our next video. So stay with me and you will start speaking as soon as possible. Bye.